Okay, this is the 3A Merrill hydraulic Keyseater, 24-inch stroke machine, 2-inch capacity. It's a 3A, but a 3A is a 2-inch capacity machine. As you can see, this particular machine is hydraulic, but it takes a pit. So we have it up right now on a radial drill box table and some wood blocking. Machine is wired 440 volts. We'll do a walk around and give it a short cycle, and you can see everything there is to see. The plate laying down here in the front does go with the machine. It was part of a job that the previous owner was doing. Really doesn't have much of anything to do with operation. We got it with the machine and we're just passing it on. In addition, there is this crate here. It has what appears to be this is actually inside here. This is a stand that was supporting that long plate, in addition to like a catch pan, if you will, that went in the floor because the machine will require a pit. And then the machine just we have odds and ends of tooling. Does not appear to be any, looks like a bunch of expansion bushings, things like that. I don't see any posts. There's some of the smaller post cutters, but no, we just hadn't gotten a chance to get that all out. So there is some tooling that will come with the machine, but again, this large post that's in the machine might be the only thing we have for posts and feed wedge and that kind of thing. So close up everything. You can see there is actually some residual chips left in there. We have the stroke limits backed closer to each other, so it's not going to stroke the entire length, and that's also because we don't have it high enough off the floor. We'd wind up crashing into the floor. Try not to cast a shadow here. There's your INFEED setup. It's common INFEED for all these Merrills. Basic geared control. There's the scale there. The scale's off, we just have to put it back on. Just a piece or two of tooling on top there. No, the only other thing to mention is most of these Merrills normally have covers that go over the hydraulic system. We do not have a cover for this machine, or for the hydraulic system. Just a basic sheet metal cover. So yeah, that won't, this is what you would be getting. All right, go ahead. gear being pulled down there each time is the INFEED going in. Set to stop, so it just adjusted here. They're kicked out. And of course the handle has that safety feature on, so it doesn't hit anybody. That's the basic of this particular machine. Feel free to ask any questions.